This 2024 Leisure Travel Unity U24TB is a Class B RV. It is located in Lakeland, FL 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2. This 2024 Leisure Travel Unity U24TB is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.